Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio for another video blast. Listen, here's a question for you. Are you buying your art supplies at a frame store? Probably not. Then why on earth would you take your framing project to an art supply store to get it framed? If you wouldn't buy art supplies at a frame store, why would you get your framing done at an art supply store? It's the same kind of thing, right? Listen, and admittedly, I don't do a lot of framing or get a lot of framing done anymore, but I used to. And I still get some things framed if a customer requests that I do so. If they request that a piece be framed prior to shipping for them, then I go to a local frame shop here in town, a local small business, to support them, as opposed to going to a big box retailer that sells mostly arts and crafts stuff to get them to do the framing. All right? I mean, you know, the arts and crafts place is not going to do a good framing job, and it's going to be expensive. And some of them don't even do it in-house. They send it out to do it. Right? That's not always the case, but in some cases they send it out to do it. They don't even do it in-house. So you don't even know who's doing the framing. Right? Take your work, because it's important. Your work is important, and you want it to look as good as possible. And you want to take it to a place that's going to treat it with respect and treat it well and frame it well and give you good service, number one, and give you plenty of options for good framing. And it's going to give you a good price. The other thing is you can develop a rapport with the people that work there and the people that actually do the framing on your project. And you know, back in the day when I was painting watercolors and had a lot of framing needs, the local frame shop that I work with, you know, even stocked a certain framing style specifically for me, because I was going in, you know, a couple or three times a month getting the same frame. So he stocked that frame just for me. You're not going to get that with a big box retailer. I mean, I don't really even know what more to say about it. You know, your local frame shop can be a great resource. And if you get to know the people there, they get to know your work, they're really going to be good at helping you choose the right frame for your project. You're supporting a small local business, and I think we need to do that as opposed to you know, always supporting these big box retailers that are you know, quite often putting the little guys out of business. So if you want a quality frame job, you know, for your painting to make it look its best, seek out your local frame shop, not a big box retailer, right? And you know, I suggest not even, and I said this in another video, don't even buy your art supplies at a big box retailer. You know, get those online if possible to save yourself some money. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.